Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video, I want to answer the question, do I need to use a general contractor to replace my roof? The simple answer is no, you do not. You do not need a general contractor to do a roof replacement, or as they would call it in Florida, a re-roof. You simply need a roofing license, someone who has a roofing license in order to do that. Now, if you are doing a major renovation or building an addition to your home, here's the thing to keep in mind. The general contractor that builds that, he can, like thumbs up, can do it. He can legally build the structure and then add the roof to the portion that he built. He cannot legally re-roof the rest of the roof. He would need to hire a roofer to do that. So he can legally manage it, but he can't have his employees do it. Now, if a general contractor is building a home from scratch, he can like thumbs up, legally have his employees go and put the new roof on that structure. It's an interesting quirk in the licensing laws in Florida where you need a roofing license to do a re-roof, but you can use your general contractor's license to install a brand new roof on a new structure that you built. So kind of a weird little odd quirk there that you might run into if you're building a custom home or if you're building a new home. And it's something that you definitely need to be aware of if you're building a room addition or doing a large renovation to your home and the GC says, yeah, I'll just go have my guys re-roof it. Realize that that's not covered under his license, and if anything happens, his insurance won't cover him for any damages from leaks, anything like that. So it's important to make sure that you understand the licensing, because if you don't understand the licensing, you might think, well, whatever, it's on his insurance. But insurance will not cover a contractor who's operating outside the scope of their license. That's a very, very important point. That's like, for example, we'll get asked all the time, hey, your carpenter's here, can he just hook up the sinks while he's doing the trim? And it's like, well, okay, yes, obviously that guy is capable of hooking up the sinks and the faucets. But if something happens where there's then a faucet explosion, like a handle blows off and there's water everywhere, the insurance company is not going to cover him, it's not going to cover me, because it's someone working outside the scope of their license. And so this is an important point that you have to know as a homeowner in order to protect yourself. So that's something that if you need more information on that, definitely subscribe to our YouTube, because I'm going to be doing a lot more videos about how you protect yourself as a homeowner doing a renovation, because I mean, it's risky out there. Now, that said, there's a lot of great, amazing contractors who do really good work, and they're great people. Most of the contractors I meet do amazing work. They're really good people. They're men and women of their word. But you know, you just have that 2 to 20% that just freaking are crazy and just do whatever. So that said, subscribe to the channel if you're looking for more videos on that. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate your attention. Oh, and if you have a renovation you're looking to get designed and built, go to homelove.construction/design. Start our design process. It's really amazing. You can see it all on our website. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vid. Peace.